So, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to be naming and showing you guys all of my fidgets. And I have this thing right here. It shows, like, every time, so whenever I make a video, it shows up on that screen. Right here. Okay, so first I'm going to show you my biggest one. It's a unicorn. It's bigger than my face. This is a puppet. So yeah. This is a puzzle piece. I'm gonna put it right here so I can build it because the other pieces are in the bin. So yeah. And here's another piece of the puzzle. I'm not going to show you guys what it says right here. I'll show you guys until the end. So I'm going to build that right here, but I still need more pieces. Another piece. So yeah, another piece. I'm going to build that right here. This goes right here. Okay, next we have this milkshake. It's a poppet again. It's really good popping. It has good size on the front and then on the back. Okay, next. Oh gosh, this one's still wet because I was washing them. Okay, so now we have the game controller puppet. So yeah, we have the game controller puppet. So I really like it. It's a puppet. It has good pops on the back and the front. So yeah, and then actually, my school gave me this for free, my whole entire school. So, we have this. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys the name of my school, so I'm covering it up with my thumb. So, yeah. It's good popping. It sounds good. So, next we have I made a dinosaur family. So right here, this is the dad. It's a puppet. Also this is a puppet too. It's good popping. It's good popping on this side. So yeah. Then we have. And I have some food too. I'm gonna pair some stuff up so I can show you. So right now I got this fry poppet. Over here it has like fries on them. So yeah, they're good and it's a poppet. They're good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it food pile over here. Okay, here's another piece of, you guys can't see it. Okay, so here's another piece of it, of the puzzle. So I'm gonna put that right here. And then we have another pack of the dinosaur family. So right here, this is the mom. The mommy mom. Okay. Oh gosh, I have a lot of puppets. So yeah, I just keep looking at the TV. It's bigger. Okay, and then I have this unicorn. It's a puppet. It's good on both sides. And then I got the same thing, but a different color. then I got another. Then I got the same one, but just a neon green. So, the last puzzle piece. Oh, geez, that's dripping on me. Okay, time to show you. It is. So, it's, let me move. So it says BFF. It's a heart puzzle. Ha! I keep on looking at it. Okay, so I got that. Oh, one just dropped. Okay. Now we have a monkey noodle. So this monkey noodle, I like it. It's a little unicorn, and then these things not spiky at all. They feel good. And then so that's the one, and then on the back there's the tail, and they're really stretchy. Digging in. Oh, here's the big sister. I'm just gonna like this because it's wet. Here's the big sister. So let's put that in our dinosaur pile. Okay, then we got a cupcake for our food pile. So this is what also. I really like this. And there's like the cupcakes on them. They're rainbow. The good side's on this side, on the back. So let's put that in the food one. This is a puzzle, but it does not connect to oh, yeah, that cupcake was a puppet too. This does not connect. But it connects to other ones, but I don't know where the other one is. So this is like a math one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then there's equal, plus, minus, times, divide, and yeah. I use that sometimes for like my math. So, and then I have this one, I forgot what it's called, but I really like it. You solve it. So, yeah, I really like it. And then you can twist it back up and then put it back together. And then, this is actually like my second favorite, or like third, or my fourth really bad. So we have this glitter one. They're good on both sides. And this is a puppet. Oh, and I really like these. I got some noodles here. Really, this is probably like the wettest one. I got some noodles. I really like it because I go like this sometimes, and then it's really fun. And then I take the end of these parts, and then I just stretch it, and it's like it stings, but they're not the color of my hair. You can, yeah. Then I have this a fidget spinner soccer ball. So yeah, I really like it because I love fidget spinners. So yeah. Now just need a, oh, there. So, and it's really good spinning. Let's put that in one of this pile. Oh. Then I have this little spiky ball. I go like this. So, the spiky ball, and it glows in the dark. So I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna bring you to the dark and then light it up. Oh, I see myself. Hello. It's a screen. It's a screen on a screen. Then on a screen. Okay, let me bring you guys to inside. I'll show you. It's good for like July or something. So, yeah. I keep on looking at the TV. So let's put that in. We actually have like a little bit left. I'm like, oh geez, so blurry. There. Just like a little. Okay. It actually looks better like this way. So I'm just looking at my hand. Okay, so we have this like little simple dimple fidget spinner. It's good spinning, it just has some water and stuff inside. So yeah. And then I really like that one. We have like, I think we have one more left. Oh, this one? Okay. You guys, this so colorful. Okay, I like this one. I love this one. This one has really good popping on both sides. Like the best I ever can pop. Then I pop some holes, so it's like a little ring, and you can slap people with it. You just have to go like high, and then it just comes up. Like if you write like a stop, you'd be like stop, stop. So yeah, I'm getting older. So they barely even fit me. They fit me like last year or so. And that is it. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll look at myself. I'm looking at myself on the TV. So, yeah. Oh, 14 minutes. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, so that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.